Do you want me to help you?
You can help
Yeah.
me?
Hello, how are you?
I'm great.
That's good.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Hi, how are you?
Yes.
You have a flat tire? Do you want me to help you?
You can help
Yeah,
me?
yeah. You gotta go in the back and then I'll help you change it for you. Okay? Alright? Is it just you and your child?
Yes.
Okay, I'll help you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
This is the first time in my life.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. We'll get it done. Alright. No worries. Don't worry. I do this all the time for people. You know, it helps people because sometimes people just need help, right? So, yeah, no worries. Hello, how are you?
I'm great.
That's good.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Look at that, eh?
Have I done something wrong?
No, it could have been sometimes tires will just explode. So, and then, yeah, so you didn't do anything wrong. You could have driven over a screw. Could have been anything.
Okay.
Yeah. No worries. I love doing this for people. It helps them. Yeah. Sometimes people need to stop and help people, right? Yeah. Yeah.
In Canada, we need to learn something like that.
Yeah, I know. To help people, yeah, I know. You're right.
Maybe when I grow, I can learn that too.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes. This always goes together with that one, right?
Yeah, that's right. Because if you didn't have this, we wouldn't have been able to take your wheel off. So it's really good you got it. Okay. Too bad this thing stopped working on me. The display's not working. You by yourself, yeah. That's right. I'm just gonna lower it down. So this one had to go a little higher to get this one on. All right.
Experience that mommy, you know?
Yeah. There we are. Okay, now let's double check them and then we're good. Yeah, so definitely get them checked. But other than that, you're good. You'll be fine as long as you drive slow, right?
Yes. Today we should buy going to highway maybe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you guys can go now. See you later. All right.
Thank you so much.
Oh, no worries.